Today we're cutting open this potato-shaped rock. When you shake it, it makes a little sound. I don't know. You might be able to hear it, but let's cut it open. Alright. I cut it where I did because you can see some water level bands from the outside. Oh, got a little bit of a peek of it there. But we did get a zoom in. As you can see a little bit of water level bands right there. So, let's slide it back. Wow. So, there was definitely nothing rattling in there. I'm just crazy psychomaniac. Here's noises. Might want to get that checked out. But, this agate looks nice. And that is what matters. Here's a little baby pocket right there. Maybe imagination water was rattling in there. But, still a nice agate.